And then the meaning of the message is in the receiver of the message. I learned this in my personal life, not in my professional life. When you're speaking to someone and you see a different look on their face that you're not expecting, that means they're not receiving the message that you're intending. They're receiving a different message. And that message is valid to them. So hopefully through this course, I can help you to remember this message and ensure that the people out there get the message you want them to receive. All right? If it involves emotion, say it in person. This mainly applies to text and emails, that even if it's a positive emotion, you're celebrating or you're rewarding or you're congratulating somebody, wouldn't that be best in person than in an email? Now, we all know that, well, we've all heard, don't send an email when you're angry. That's an emotion. If you're angry with somebody, create a time and talk through that, but don't fire off an email or a text.